Hey, what's going on guys? John the Video Guy here. And today, in this very short tutorial, I'm just going to go over how to record your screen on a Mac. An easy way to do this if you're working on an Apple is to use the built-in application already called QuickTime. So QuickTime is useful for many different things, and one of the things it can do not only is just play videos, but also record your screen as well as your audio. So let me show you how you can do that. If you open QuickTime up under the applications and you right-click on the application in the dock, you have a few options here. You can do new movie recording, new audio recording, and new screen recording. New screen recording will allow you to record whatever is on your screen. And if you have multiple screens, you can select which screen that you're recording. So if you click that, an option will come up allowing you to click capture or to crop and resize the area that you want to record. Once you do that, click record. And you'll notice on the very top there will be a circle with a square, and that means that your screen is recording. So from that point on, do what you have to do to record your screen, whatever you're doing, whether it's a tutorial or whatnot. And once you're done recording your screen, you just go up there and you click that button, and then it will stop the recording, and then you can choose File Save to save it into a file location. So in this example, I already saved a screen record to my downloads folder, and it's a MOV file. So one of the things I run into though as a video editor doing a lot of these tutorials is that it runs into issues with Premiere Pro. It won't like it. So if you have issues editing this video, you can always convert it using another software. In this example, I'm going to convert it to an MP4 using DaVinci Resolve, which is a free software. So if you have DaVinci Resolve open, you can just go to the media pool, import it, change the frame rate, project frame rate to the record frame rate, which I believe QuickTime by default records in 59 frames a second, which is nice. You have a lot of frames to work with. Then just go to the Deliver tab. You can rename this, so screen recording. You can choose MP4. Make sure everything matches. Click Browse. Click Save, add to render queue, and start render. And that will convert it into an easy to use codec that you can use in Premiere Pro. This isn't necessary if you have no issues using the .mov file. I just noticed, I think just because the way QuickTime records it, it has issues with Premiere Pro that I've ran into. So I always do this beforehand. You don't have to use DaVinci Resolve, but you can use another software as well. For example, you could use free WMV AVI Converter, which I went over in a previous tutorial, and that's always a useful tool. If you want to see how to use that tool, I'll link the tutorial video for that below in the description. But that's pretty much it. And then once that is exported here, you have an MP4 file, and then you can import that and use it in whatever video project you're working on. So there you have it. That's how you record your screen on a Mac using a application that's already on the computer. So I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe to the channel if you like these videos, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.